Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Joy Special. So in today's video we are going to be making a creamy vanilla cake using little ingredients to get more cake. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys for coming in. And please don't forget to give this video a massive and a huge thumbs up. Okay, so let's dive right inside the video. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this vanilla cake. Remember, you don't need a mixer in this recipe. If you have a spatula and a stainless bowl, you can make use of it in this recipe. If you don't have a mixer, so do not bother yourself. You're going to make a creamy and a fluffy cake even without mixer. Remember this recipe, you don't need to start creaming your butter and your margarine for it to get creamy or fluffy before you start adding other ingredients. The method I use in this particular recipe is called all-in-one method. Adding all your ingredients in a stainless bowl and you will turn it until it is creamy, fluffy. I'm going to be making use of my candle roller in turning it. If you don't have a candle roller, you can make use of your pestle or your spatula to cream it until it is creamy and lush. Please guys, do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. In this channel, we make baking easy for everyone, especially people that are aspiring to go into baking that doesn't have all the requirements and all the utensils needed for baking. We make it easy for you here. So if you love this video that you're watching, please do well to subscribe to this amazing channel. You can see the batter, it is creamy and everything is well combined here. You're going to turn everything together. Remember to grease your pan. I'm already preheating my oven. I've already greased my pan. I'm going to divide this batter into 3 8-inch pan. Then I will bake it. So guys, here we are. This is what we got from the 500 grams. So I'm going to send this inside the oven. I will bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Here we are. Our cake is properly baked. As you can see, it is creamy. Very creamy and very soft. You can never go wrong with this particular recipe. This is using little ingredients to get more cake. Try this recipe and let me know if you don't love it. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. I really do appreciate you. I'm going to see you in my next video.